This is our C2 convertible flush mount windshield kit. This is our insert for our windshield. It gets bonded into your existing steel windshield frame. Either urethane it or epoxy it. I'm going to epoxy when I put them in, but I don't see why urethane wouldn't work. Your glass gets urethaned into this, and so now you have your flush mount part of it. And to finish it off, we have a bezel that goes over the top of the whole thing. It's going to fit, and now you're going to have your flush mount part. We're going to show you this mounted in the car. We're just giving you a dry run right now. Inside the car is your lower windshield trim, both left and right, vertical trims, and across the header trim. So that's going to give you that flush mount look. We will be offering this outer bezel in carbon fiber. If you want it in carbon fiber, right now it's just in black gel coat, so it can be painted the color of the car, satined out, whatever you want to do. And we're going to look into maybe having our plater chrome plated as well. So we're going to have another video of this sitting on a car here. This is just our beginning. This is our new product release. We'll finish a product release next week when we have our car to put it on. We'll go from there. Thanks for watching.